Yo! Right, the first coat's had time to dry. I'm hitting the second. I do 2 coats in a shower and 3 on the base. The third one is always my slurry for my mud. I've never used a foam shower pan in my life. It's just different countries. Different countries, different methods. It's always sand and cement to screed your shower base in Australia. But yeah, different countries, different methods. I don't actually know how a foam shower base would work. I don't know enough about them. So in Australia, it's sand and cement. This has already got pre-slope. I am a fan of pre-slope, yes. That makes sense. Most of the time now, these days though, I'm not in this situation, but most of the time now I waterproof over my screed. It is a little bit slower in doing the whole bathroom. It puts you out of pace, out of whack, because you got to wait for that cement base to dry. Where a shower leaks, well, before niches came on the scene, a shower base always leaked from about 150 mil up, down the base. It was always the base that leaked, or your taps. That's why it's a must, waterproof around your taps. Then when it's tiled and the plumber silicons as well, you're laughing, you got double. I'm going to be doing this shower and then I'm moving over to there. I've primed this floor and the walls, so I'll be slapping a coat on that shortly. We'll see you soon. Bye.